Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick video on two interesting vacuum cleaners. So I'm going to quickly run my Dyson Dc07 and the original Fantom. The Dyson is from 2005 and the Fantom is from 1995. The Dyson Dc07 that I have, the Dyson Dc07 was the first Dyson to be sold in the US. That was their first model to come out in the US. It was not their first model ever, but it was the first model that was sold in the US. And the Fantom, that was their first model. The Fantom vacuum was their first model, although this is one of the last ones that they made before they changed the name to the Thunder. It does not have the filter on the HEPA filter on the side, so the filtration on the Fantom is horrible because it doesn't have the filter. They didn't realize that it would blow out so much dust, so they would later add on the HEPA filter on the side. So I'm going to quickly vacuum with both of them, and if you look on the side, the Fantom and the Dyson both have similarly shaped handles. They look different, but the shape is the same, and they both have the release handle. So I'm going to just run both of them quick, and they're both completely different otherwise. The Dyson was made in Malaysia and the Fantom was made in Canada. And this is the only Dyson vacuum cleaner I have. And I'm not sorry about it because I'm not really a big Dyson fan. And the Dyson has more suction than the Fantom, although based on my experience the Fantom cleans a little bit better because it has a better brush hole design. The Fantom, this is the 11 amp one. The Fantom Thunder, the first Fantom Thunder was an 11 amp, but they later came out with a 12 amp. The differences in power, they both clean the same. The only difference is this one draws a little bit less electrical power than the newer ones. Those are two bagless vacuums. Dyson uses root cyclone technology and Fantom uses dual cyclone technology.